station though.
Right, it's recording anyway. So you said this is going to be an express?
Yeah.
Sounds like it actually, doesn't it? Oh yeah! Is that like the new cross-country style trains?
It's similar to their trains, but that's a Transpennine. I think that's probably going to Newcastle.
Oh.
Nice of them.
Lots of lucky people going on holiday. Oh no.
The train, that's got red lights in it, like white lights.
Yeah, I can just about still see them on the film.
Oh no, it left back at 52.
Oh, does it bend to the right then, this tunnel?
The other end it does, yes, slightly, only slightly.
Because I was going to say I can still see the tail lights from that train.
Exactly. Our train left Batley at 9:52, it's 9:53 now, so it's 5 minutes there, but it don't make any difference.
No, we've got plenty of time for other one, haven't we? Good morning. This is me and my brother. We're having a day out at Barnsley and we're going on the trains, and I haven't been on a train like this for a long time, so I'm quite excited. Our train is due any time now, so it was just a quick hello and we'll catch you in a bit. Bye. That one's stopping though, isn't it? Because these people are probably getting on it. Is that one that goes to Manchester Victoria, or is it just going to... Yeah. Well, where's our train though? Where's our train? Is that what our train will look like?
No, ours is the northern train.
Well, we're still alright for the other one, aren't we? Oh, yeah. See, it's weird because the lights look white on my camera, but they're red in the tunnel. It might look different on bigger screen though.
Oh yeah.
I mean, now because I can actually see the lights on film now. He's slowing down, ready to stop. I remember that time when you were waiting for me at the train station, and you were stood exactly where my door stopped, weren't you?
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh yes, it is different. Right. Just get on whichever door stops nearest, eh? Yeah. The back door, probably. We haven't crossed viaduct yet, have we?
No,
oh, there we are.
That's where Cherwell Station used to be.
Oh yeah, because they're getting rid of that, aren't they? Because of the new one. This is Cherwell New Village. It'll never be part of Cherwell.
No, exactly.
It were our fields where we used to play.
Farmland, exactly.
Yeah.
There were allotments as well, they've all got.
Yeah.
Like a Manor Farm Drive, they were.
Oh. And where's that train going? Is that terminating at Leeds?
It is. I think it's probably come from either Ilkley or Skipton or Bradford Foster Square, because they have trains now to Leeds.
Yeah. I think it's going to be quite interesting then.
Oh yeah.
All passengers exiting the station with children, luggage, large items or reduced mobility, please use the wide aisle gate.
It's the miners chippy.
Oh yeah. Do you go there now instead of Nelly then?
I do. Occasionally I still go to Nelson because he's nice as well, but I like miners. They're always generous with the portions of chips and stuff. And
oh yeah.
This is platform.
I never think of going there. I should do really, shouldn't I?
that platform there is where we get our train.
Over there, that
Yeah.
one. Oh.
That's a country train.
Yeah, that's the sort I got on from Berwick to Edinburgh.
It's probably going to Bournemouth or somewhere like that. Actually.
Yeah, because it's going the wrong way for Edinburgh, isn't
Oh,
it?
yeah. It's probably including 9:53.
Yeah.
It takes us an hour and 17 minutes, and
That's
we
not
managed
bad,
to have
is
a
it?
croissant.
Yeah, exactly.
What did they call that place we got that croissant?
Deli France. We're moving.
I'll just put steak bake.
That's probably what it was. Oh, I've got your nose in picture.
Oh. Oh yeah, Greg's steak bake, that'll do.
Yeah, they're all the same.
400 calories, my word.
Looks like you're having lettuce heading in. Oh, look
I
at
know.
this.
Oh yeah, it's lovely. We walked on that
Oh.
canal.
Yeah, I've never,
Friday.
since they've regenerated
Yeah.
it all, I've never been down. So maybe one time when you're going to do it, you'll have to let me know and I can come as well.
Yeah, all the way up to Kirkstall.
Yeah.
There's a big cancer research.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. Oh, it's massive.
Look at
It's
all
got
these new
furniture as
buildings
well.
that's going up as
I
well.
know. They've kept that old chimney there, so that must be listed.
That's probably listed.
Oh yeah.
And it adds to the attractiveness of something when there's...
It does.
And I think they kept that Yorkshire Post one just because it's iconic, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, look at that old factory thing there with clock on front.
Oh, it's nice, is that? I don't know what it is now, but...
I don't know if I can get quite close enough, but I'm not filming the whole thing, just a little
No.
bit. Because most of it's graffiti and brick walls.
Exactly. So we're on that different line now.
Yeah. It won't be as good a video as the ones that you watch normally, but it'll still be alright.
Oh no, because the guys at what they've got camcorders, they won't be...
Right, we're on camera now. We are here in Barnsley Interchange. We've just got off the train and we're going to head off and have a mooch round some shops. Look at my hair. And then find somewhere nice for lunch in about an hour or so, depending on how hungry we get, because we did have a snack on the platform at Leeds. But anyway, that's it for now. We'll catch you again later. Bye. Oh. It's warm in here when it's a hot day, because it's like all glass, isn't it?
Yes, so it is like a greenhouse then.
Right, I'll follow you now because I haven't got a clue where I'm going.
There's no down there, there's just actually that building there at the back of the court. That used to be a train station.
Oh, did it?
Barnsley Courthouse.
Oh. You wouldn't have thought they'd need more than one station in a town. Well, is it a town or is it a city? It's a
I think
town,
it's a town,
isn't it?
isn't it?
Oh,
I don't know if that's so, because I think there might be some charity shops up here.
yeah.
Better
Right.
watch yourselves with these cars.
Yeah, I'm just going to get the front of the... There we go. That's where we are. Wave! Oh, it's noisy. Oh, that was a noisy one. Oh yeah. Peace and quiet again. Oh, who's making that noise online?
Yeah.
What's this? No, Nottingham. Is that the one that same that we came on?
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, here comes ours. Look. Here's our train to take us back to Leeds. I'll get up in a second, don't worry. I won't watch it going away and leave me behind. Woo! Oh yes, look, there's a train there.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a depot, is that?
Oh. Got right up your nose nearly then. Oh yeah, there's that. sorry, the sun's in my eyes. Here we are back at Morley. Managed to get a train pretty much straight away from the Barnsley train, so we didn't have to wait. We didn't have to get a proper seat though. We had to sit in them little fold down things, but who's bothered about that? We've got home, haven't we? We've just got to get the last leg back to his place now so I can have a rest before I walk home to mine. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on the bell and click on the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.
Bye.